guys, so in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can modify DLL Android games. Now if you don't know how, if your Android game is built with DLLs or not, then the way you can check is by decompiling the APK with APK Easy Tool, by selecting your APK like so. One second here, wherever you've got your APK you can just select it. So I'll just put one instead of there, and then you just click decompile. Now depending on your game size it can take a while for it to decompile. Now you can go into here, choose the decompiled APK. If you go into assets bin data managed, then, and if it's got DLLs, then it's a DLL game, and you can follow this tutorial to edit it. Now keep in mind, not many games, well, not many new and updated games use DLLs actually, as most games have upgraded to IL2 CPP, as it increases the security of the game. So you'll see older games have still be running on DLLs, but games like Pixel Gun that are recently updated, it runs on IL2 CPP. Now so basically what an IL2 CPP file looks like, one sec, if I find Pixel Gun for an example, see it doesn't have the assets bin data managed DLLs. Instead it's got libIL2 CPP right here. You won't see these other files in it if you decompile it. That's just from dumping the game, which I'll show you later for modding IL2 CPP games. Now basically once you decompile it, you can go into assets bin data and managed, and here's all the DLLs. Now basically in the game that I'm modding, if I wait for it to load, one sec, you can just open DNSpy, so basically we can drag and drop the DLLs. So if you already have if you previously used DNSpy, you can just do file and close all, and it will close everything in here. Now you can delete all of this stuff here and then drag and drop it in here. So if you've previously had stuff, just close all to delete all the stuff, and then drag and drop it in there. Now if I go to my one sec, it should have, sorry about this, I just had to reinstall. Here we go. I'll just delete this and just install the XAPK, just because it's got the OB and the APK. So anyway, whilst that installs what's already installed, we can start modding this. Now it will look like a lot like with all these files and stuff, but it really isn't. Just open assembly C#, click on it, and you can search for functions like these. This will be in the description, so you can search like get diamond if your game's got that currency. Now what we'll be modding is the game Block Force, and we'll be modding currency in the game called gifts. Now if I load up the game and create an account, register with random stuff, quit the tutorial, see here, I've got one gift, and I'm going to change that to 9999. Now modding DLL games is much easier compared to IL2 CPP games. Now you can use these to find your features. You won't always find these features in DLL games. You have to sometimes search for your own, like here I'll give you an example, get underscore speed, which this game might have. So this could be like the player speed or whatever, and you can modify that. But I've already found the stuff they need to modify to get the modded gifts in the game. So what you want to do, you want to search up your function and click on it. Now see here, we've got this little space the function. So what you want to do is you want to right click and select IL instructions. Now you want to select everything except for 2 of them, right? But you cannot delete the red one because that's what ends the function, and if you delete that then it won't work. Now as you can see here, this is a public save void, so here you can, if it's int or public, then you change it to OP code. So right here's the OP code, you want to change it to ldc.i4. So just click on here, ldc.i4, and you want to change it to whatever currency or whatever number you like, and it will change it right there. Alright, add GIF, oh it's right there. You want to right click, same thing, public save void, so we don't need to, we can just do the same ldc.i4. So same, select everything, ldc.i4. Change it. Now you want to keep the ret thing there always if you're modding a DLL game. So get cur festive. Now if there's 2 so you it's safe to edit both of them, because sometimes if you don't edit one of them, then the feature, like modded gems or whatever, might not work, because it might need both of them to be edited. So it's better to be safe than sorry, so edit both of them. So this one's an int, so that means we can still use the same one, so OP code. So edit IL instructions, delete 2 of them again, ldc.i4, 99999, int again. This one didn't need any deleting, 99999, and then the last one that we have to edit is get festive gift. Now if you like this game, then you can, and you play this game for some reason even though it's dead, then you can just follow this tutorial and get gifts. You can do this with coins, and it's a pretty easy game to mod. And I recommend starting to learn to mod DLL games, because it gets your head around modding and stuff. Now once you've once you've learned, once you've finished modding whatever you like, you just click file, save all, just see if it's saved in the right location, click save, yes, okay, and done. Then we can close this, we do not need it anymore. We can just go here and we can open APK easy tool, and we can select the game. Let me try to find it. Yep, it's this one right here. Compile. And if your game has an OB, so let's say you were modding a game like Pixel Gun, just follow what I do. So Android OB, rename the OB. This is to install the mod, by the way. Delete this, so we can keep the OB without deleting it. And then, see here, it's completed, recompiled APKs, install it, block force, allow, and you'll see they'll have the 99999 gift boxes that we edited. So if I just enter random stuff, skip the tutorial, and just like that, it'll have 99999 gift boxes. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you.